Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, Ebony is a monthly magazine that focuses on news, culture, and entertainment. Its target audience is the African American community, and its coverage includes the lifestyle and accomplishments of influential Black people, fashion, beauty, and politics. We're so happy to have with us CEO Bridgeman Sklenar and Janelle Russell, who is the business operations manager.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. I smell coconut oil, I smell castor oil, I smell all kind of good things.
You're here.
It's okay. Our Black is beautiful. All right, go on.
I'm gonna chime in. I'm just
I'm You guys are beautiful.
I can just go over there.
Go on.
We got this.
You know, while you're going through all this,
I just love it.
Tell us, when was Ebony magazine started?
Go ahead, Edith.
I certainly will. November 1945 by John H. Johnson in Chicago. Ebony was birthed and sent on a journey of journeys to be the most iconic brand representing not only, yes, as you said, African Americans, but truly what it means to normalize Black excellence.
I love that. Black influence, excellence, influence. I'm here for it. So how do you get started in the publishing and media business? Who want to take that? Eden or Janelle?
That's her.
Yeah, okay, all right. Eden, we're talking to you one more time.
Not a problem.
We're talking to her, Anisha. We talk every day.
Yeah.
So, obviously, Ebony has been around for longer than anyone at this table has been alive. But for myself,
Well.
Well,
Hey, Moses.
I was trying. But nonetheless, my family, we were fortunate enough in January of 2021 to acquire these legacy brands, not only Ebony, but Jet, and bring them back to their prominence. And we've been on that journey ever since. And it's been such a wonderful ride to see the love affair still for these brands.
Beautiful.
You know, we talk about Ebony magazine. It's not just the features.
Yes.
It's the covers.
Yes.
All right, take us through some of the most or more iconic covers.
Well, I would say.
I think we have a couple.
Oh yeah, I'm like,
have
which?
Jody
What?
too.
Oh, okay, I mean Jody. Come on. And not only our iconic covers, but you have to go to our platform and see the digital experience. Not only the still image that you saw right there, but the motion graphic of Jody in the water here in Jamaica and all that was filmed and shot for our digital. I mean, look at her. Like, it's not fair for anyone to be that absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
But you have Jody here, obviously representing the Caribbean in our planting of seeds, showing that Ebony's going to be here, not just from our digital covers, but truly here as a brand to influence and be influenced by the culture.
Yeah, so like you said, Ebony is here. Last night you guys had a cocktail event, and you mentioned that you will be doing a Caribbean part of Ebony. Tell us about that, Janelle. We've spoken about that a little bit.
I know.
And tell us also why it's so important to you.
Well, I'm from Trinidad, so okay.
Yes.
And so being a part of the Caribbean, you want to amplify everyone's voices, right? So I think coming from an American brand, when you bring everything to somewhere that you're passionate about, I mean, I live here, my husband's Jamaican, but coming from Trinidad, I love Carnival, I love Jamaica as an extension of, and I feel like from our family in the States to Jamaica to my family in Trinidad, this would also be an extension of our Ebony love and passion, which is moving Black forward. So that's why we're here. And it kind of just came about in this like little whim where United Airlines said, hey, how about where do you want to go? And I'm like, Jamaica, I'm already here. How do we bring Ebony here? And that's
excellent.
Yeah, and then, well, we've talked about it, you and I. So it's a thing that's close to my heart. My heart.
My heart.
Yeah, exactly.
We're in the middle of Carnival season.
Yes.
And you guys are here, and I'm sure everybody is just ready to go. What are you, and I'm sure you have some friends that you've brought with you.
Of course.
What you guys are looking forward to most?
Well, to me, Frenchman Lito.
Yes.
For sure. We're doing Juve tomorrow, which
Yes.
people don't think it's like a thing. But I like to explain to people that Juve is like getting rid of the old. But even though you're cleansing with the whole paint aspect, that dirty feeling makes you feel even better. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
And so
Say that again.
I'm not going to...
No, say that last one.
Makes you feel good all over again. That is correct. And then also just the whole carnival aspect on the road on Sunday with
We're
our
gonna get
partners,
our own-
Gen X.
Yes.
So you're Gen Xing.
Yes,
Yes.
we're Gen X.
What color is your thing?
Well, that's going to be a surprise because, you know.
So I'll see you on the road.
Oh, who are you with?
Yeah, girl. I'm not telling you that.
I said, who are you with?
On the road.
Oh.
I'm yard massing.
Okay.
I'm keeping it low, keeping it local. I'm going with yard mass.
Well, we're locals too,
Nah.
by extension.
Hold on a second. Now, Dufton just said something about what are you and your celebrities looking forward to. And you guys just kind of glossed over that. What celebrities are here with you?
Well, that's the fun thing. We're not going to say. You have to go and follow us to see who we brought down here with us. I can't give everything
It's
away.
a thing.
Yeah, you've got to go to ebony.com. You got to follow us on our social
Instagram.
media
Come on.
platforms.
Oh, he's on it right
Yeah.
Is Jody here? Jody!
And so you will see who our friends but also yes, we brought some of our friends from the States, but what we're most looking forward to is the friends that we're going to make here. Because we want this to be authentic. If Ebony Caribbean first started here in Jamaica, it's going to be what we have talked about and what we are dreaming it to be. It can't be the U.S. just bringing. It has to be here influencing what's happening back in the U.S. So I want to make friends. So you should be telling me who I should be meeting while I'm here. Who are you all excited for that you already know that we can make sure we link
She
up
turned it back on you now. You saying Jones?
No, but we've been talking. I've been like, hello.
You have been.
I have been like.
That is true.
Yeah. All right, Dufton. Go on, Dufton. Go on, Dufton. Go on, Angus.
Sorry, what's your question,
ahead.
sir? I apologize.
No, your talk. I'm here to.
No.
I should have put you in the middle.
Right?
All right, both of you. I'm throwing this question at both of you.
Sure.
You're from Trinidad.
Correct.
Of course, your husband is Jamaican. Of course, you had to just correct that because us
Ooh.
Jamaican men are the best.
Oh my gosh. I didn't say all that now.
You better say that. He's watching. When you
Is he?
think Caribbean, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
That's a really great question. I'll start with you.
For me, when I think Caribbean, well, for me, Caribbean just means culture. And so when you look at culture, you look at dancehall, you look at soca, you look at Marshall Montano, you look at Bunji Garlin, Kess. You know, I have to mention the Trinidadians for this.
Yeah.
And we'll come back to the Shaggies, who I grew up loving. You know, Damian Marley, the whole Marley family. That's Caribbean culture to me, as well as just fashion, right? It's like tie-dye, it's colorful, it's just exciting. It's influential in a way that from time to time, you may not know that this part of the diaspora has influenced your style, but it has in many ways. So for me, that's Caribbean.
Yeah.
That's where, what about you? Don't?
And Eden, you have like 30 seconds.
30 seconds?
Yeah.
I would say strength, because so much of history, you hear of the strength of people, especially where in the US, it took us a long time to finally like buck up against, people.
That's true.
But that happens much sooner and much more. So for me, the Caribbean shows us a sense of strength. And moving Black forward can happen here much faster than the rest of the world, and that's why we're here.
I love that. And here is where you should be.
Yes, absolutely.
Caribbean Ebony is going to be the best you've ever had. How can we find you guys on social media?
Follow Ebony Magazine. Go to ebony.com and
Subscribe to our newsletter.
absolutely and see all the diverse content that
YouTube
we're
channel.
putting out. Yes.
And YouTube. Okay, thanks, Nisha and
You're
Joe.
welcome.
I'll be seeing you guys on Sunday. Where I'm definitely going to be seeing you guys this
Yeah, thank you guys so much for joining us.
No,
today.
thanks
I
for
love
having
you.
us.
I love you now.
Oh,
Eden,
thank
you're my
you.
family. We
Thank
love
you
you
so
guys.
much.
Yeah, from Ebony. That is it. Thank you guys for joining us.
And with that, Daytime Lab, we'll be right back, and we have a music video from Irene.